of the cloud and leopard. Let's give a big round of applause for the logo and the mascot.
Menteri rang ba kajela ukonat ke sang ma ulah play perda ya ke second Northeast Olympic Games 2024 bala pelong Hapainwood Hotel Banquet Hall hakabala don langru Chief Secretary UDP Walang Commissioner and Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs Dr. Vijay Kumar uba John F. Khashieng President ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association lembat kidakot ke MSOA kinong tre na ke Sports Department bat kinong kitkam jong kisang ilakai prepare ringkat ru kinong ilakai hakane kesngi Menteri rang ba ulah pelait ru ya ke Shap bat Mascot jong ke Northeast Olympic Games Lapalai ru ya ke website jong ke Northeast Olympic Games 2024 ke Northeast Olympic Games booklet ke Mass Talent Identification Program bat ke jingsam song pisa syakiseng ilaka jong ke jela ban pelong ya ke jing ai jing hikai na ke benta ke Northeast Olympic Games 2024.
It's the second time in fact it's happening. So it's a very great milestone, and I'm sure all these stakeholders have worked very hard to be able to achieve this and to be able to bring all of this together. It's not very simple, and it requires a lot of hard work, and obviously we still have a lot of things to be done, but I'm sure that the way the organizers are working, the way the officials are working, that I'm sure that they will leave no stone unturned to make sure that this is one of the best games that not just the state but the Northeast has ever seen. Having said that, I would like to just mention a few things in this very important occasion, which is the fact that in the last four and a half years, and in spite of 2 years of having a challenge of COVID in front of us, the government of Meghalaya has been working in all fronts to ensure that we are able to really give an opportunity to our youth to be able to explore their talents, to follow their interests, and to be able to excel in the games and the disciplines that they like. And to be able to achieve that, a lot of things have to be done at different levels. So we have been actually having a very holistic approach to the entire process. We realize that in order to be able to have people and youngsters who will win medals for us, or whether it is the entire challenge of really engaging with our youth, all these require efforts at multiple fronts.